Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing the battery, safety first. Once done, pop off the battery cover and visually inspect around the stick. Look for grime, hair, or sticky residue that causes drift. Use compressed air to blow out loose debris and make sure to work at an angle so you don't drive particles deeper. If you find obvious gunk, dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl and gently clean the base. You'll be surprised how often that fixes the issue. Next, you open the controller. Remove screws and separate shells while tracking each screw's spot so reassembly goes smoothly. Once open, disconnect the battery and any ribbon connectors, then expose the joystick module. Examine the potentiometers. Those are the small sensors that read movement. Apply a dedicated contact cleaner or isopropyl to the pots, then repeatedly move the thumbstick through its full range to dislodge corrosion or residue. This mechanical motion, combined with cleaner, restores proper electrical contact and reduces drift. Finally, you reassemble carefully. Reconnect ribbons, seat the board, and close the shell, making sure cables aren't pinched. Tighten screws snugly, but don't strip them. Reinstall batteries and power up, then calibrate the controller in your console or PC settings. Small dead zone tweaks can eliminate leftover drift. If the stick still wanders, swap the joystick module or replace the entire analog unit. Worn potentiometers need hardware replacement. If problems persist, test with another controller to confirm it isn't a system-level issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.